What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. Just finished the video on this sealing this 125, but if you notice, there's blockade house wrap and insulation behind the 125. Let me show you what I've been doing. I always had that there because I got my overwinterization of plants right there. Alright, but since I had to move this, I went ahead and I used Pink Panther insulation. You can see some right in there. That's the bifold Pink Panther insulation all around the window, plus the Tyvek, because I had that left over from when I did the back porch. But I wanted to show you the difference on the Pink Panther insulation. See, this wall's done right here, this wall's not done right here. So if we check the temperature back in here, it's 58 degrees, 57. See if it goes any lower. Okay, and then we go over here, it's 65 degrees. That's the huge difference on having this insulation. If you fill this, it's cold. If you fill this, it's not cold at all. These tanks are normally 70 degrees, so that actually holds in the heat a lot better. Not only that, I insulated the ledgers. 10 degrees difference off the walls just by doing this. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.